Hi, I'm Sahand. In just 5 minutes, I'll use AI to show you a data integration trick that can save you hours every week. Let's get started. My goal is to really know what search terms, keywords we are ranking for, what's the traffic like. So I'm new to the game, but I'm learning. Now I am going to just show you the results that I'm trying to analyze. Okay, I'm going to download the data and put that in the folder that we are working with. Okay, great, the data is there. Now let's take a look at it. Perfect, so I have my queries, clicks, impressions, click-through rate, and position. Great, we have the data. So I will exit. Okay, now we get on with the analysis. So first we have to set up the Python environment. I'm starting all of this from scratch, so let's just do it. I like setting up a virtual environment because that allows me to separate my Python packages from everything else. There we go. Activate. And I'm going to work with polars and XLX to CSV because my files are Excel. So we are going to install virtual environments activated, and we're going to install the requirements. Great. Beautiful. So now I'm going to create a file called analyze.py. And now we are going to use AI to help me with writing the code that analyzes the data for us. So here I would like to, well, first things we have to do, well, you know what, I'm going to actually just tell it to generate. Code to analyze the CSV file in this folder using polars. Typically pandas code comes up. Pandas is great, I love it, I still use it, but polars is a new data analytics package that is much faster, so I'm going to go with that. The file has queries. The file has a tab. So let's take a look here. So it has a tab called queries, We need the data from only this tab. And we want to show the queries which had more than 10 impressions. Let's go with 40, and sorted by ascending order position. Okay, so this query, for example, Integral Software was with 475 impressions, and the position was 9.73. This is great, but we are optimizing for something that's non-branded, not integral. It's about data, so we'll see. Okay, so let's generate the code. Okay, so it reads the file. So here I'm going to say instead take the file name from first argument. Perfect. So we read it from the argument. And the tab queries, great impressions. Okay, this looks promising, so let's just run it. So we are going to run Python analyze and the file name. Aha, okay, so something's happening here. We could not read the first CSV. Ah, yes, it's not a CSV, it's Excel. This is an Excel file, XLSX. Beauty. Accept it. Run it again. Ha! Perfect. So it's saying top queries is the... Okay. Let me just comment that. So what we really need to do is actually do this here. Sheet name equals queries. Great. And then we are going to see if this works. Yeah, see, this is actually using pandas. This is pandas format. Please use polars way of sorting. This is the challenge with using polars. Did not really do anything. Okay, well, that did not work. So I happen to know that in polars, what we need to do is the following: df sort. Column. We need to sort by column. Okay, perfect. So position ascending. Yep. Beauty. Okay, great. So now I know that there's a bunch of words, keywords, the queries, literally searches that people have done. The impression is that much, and the position has been high. Now, I'm not trying to optimize for the brand name. We are optimizing actually for enterprise data related items. So I'm going to do a quick little thing here saying exclude rows which have the word integral in them. Okay, so we filtered by the query. Great. str. We have a little, I think there we go. That's better. Again, it's better with pandas syntax. So this does not work. So query is not a column, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, okay, top queries, top queries is really the beautiful. Okay, so now we have excluded all the queries that have the word integral in them, and we can see that our target terms are the ones here. So from now on, I can download the same file and then run this script. I don't need AI anymore. I have this script that runs it. Now, a couple of questions you might ask is that, why are you doing this in Python? Well, for me, Python and setting up an environment is just the fastest way of doing it. I'm comfortable with it. I can download the file and do it. I did attempt previously to automate the process of downloading. There are definitely ways to do this through the Google API. Just took too long for me, and I'm okay with downloading it, so I'm just going with the manual way. Once we have more volume, and of course we do build this stuff for our clients. However, for my use case, it was just easy to go download it and then run the script. If you are wondering if this can be done in other tools such as Excel, it's great. Stay tuned. In another video, what I will do is that I will go through this process, but instead of doing it in Python, we'll do it in Excel and in a macro together. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to the page, and then more videos will come out. I will take a lot of these use cases of analyzing data, how to connect with the sources, grab the data, and do some analysis with it. Hope you enjoyed this.